Morning light slants across the roofs. Saigon wakes up so fast. Wheels rolling down the busy streets, carrying hopes that will last. The scent of coffee down the alley, and laughter sounding so near. Everyone is walking quickly, yet their hearts are warm and dear. The roads stretch wider and longer, footsteps become more joyful. Buildings reflect the golden sun like dreams sprouting up and beautiful. A brand new day is opening wide in the eyes of the people here, taking it slow but very steady. Together we build it up this year. Oh, Saigon, we are growing up, greener with each passing day. Oh, Saigon, we are growing up, from loving hands along the way. Wider roads, sky so much clearer, the rhythm of life shines bright. Skyscrapers reaching up high, like a radiant song of light. Across the bridge, the morning sun on this side, the bustling mart. Those tiny little alleyways are familiar with smiling hearts. The old street corner still remains, yet painted in colors so new. People are drawing closer together, through each shining day we grew. The roads stretch wider and longer, footsteps become more joyful. Buildings reflect the golden sun like dreams sprouting up and beautiful. A brand new day is opening wide in the eyes of the people here, taking it slow but very steady. Together we build it up this year. Oh, Saigon, we are growing up, greener with each passing day. Oh, Saigon, we are growing up, from loving hands along the way. Wider roads, sky so much clearer, the rhythm of life shines bright. Skyscrapers reaching up high, like a radiant song of light. I can hear my own heart singing over every bridge I cross, from the very little things. Blossoms a city of flowers, tomorrow will bring more changes, but the true sincerity will stay. Saigon embraces its big dreams with a sparkling smile every day.